Okay, we're gonna go see what this snowstorm looks like. I would say it's probably close to 2 feet. Alright, let's do a little shoveling here. It's a little heavier than yesterday. Yesterday was super light because it was super cold. Today it's a little heavier. Not quite as cold though. Can't believe our snowplow guy was able to get this done. Thank goodness for remote start. All right, let's go see what the road looks like. Of course, Rob was up early, shoveling out. I had my mailbox all cleared out, and then the snowplow covered me up again. Thank goodness for our snowplow guys. Oh, let's see who's over here. This is our neighbor Letty.
Oh my God! Do you record? Wow!
What do you think of this snow? Our buddy
It's a
Simba.
big one.
Yeah, it's a big one. Looking good. Our snowplow guys are great, right?
Yeah, very good.
Brayton, I'm sure it's just like this in Arizona, right? All right. On steps. Front porch. Ugh. Pretty light though, even though it sounds like I'm groaning. This is nothing compared to if it was heavy wet snow. That's a pro job right there. Looks much better than my neighbors, don't you think? Presley. Presley, come. Presley, come. Come on, Presley, come. Come on. Presley, no. We're not going to Simba's. Come on. Come. Come. Go inside. Go inside. Good boy. Good boy. You can stay outside, but you gotta stay in the fence. Okay, good boy. All right. What are you doing, huh? You like this? It's got a path. Good boy. Is that your ball, huh? Is that your ball? You got your ball. You got your ball. It's snowing again, Presley. It's snowing again. Is your paw cold? All right, let's go inside. Come on. Come on, let's go inside. Go ahead. Alright, shovel on the path for Presley here. Right out to his rope that he likes to climb on. Bite at. Goggles are fogging up here. Can't see too good. Look at that. It's that yellow stuff. Okay, we're gonna try to get this car out. I'm gonna try to brute force it. Alright. I don't know if this is gonna work, but it's worth a shot. A lot of snow here. Alright. If you're watching the video, take your vote. We're gonna get it out or not in the first shot. Let's give it a shot and see. Okay. Let's go. Gunning it. Yeah. All right. Let's go. That's a good slide right there. Yeah. All right. I like it. Now I'm gonna bring it up here where we brush it off because the other guy's gonna take care of this. Good job, Mazda. All right. The next one's gonna be tough. Let's see how this electric car handles it. Now I know all you Syracuse people are thinking, what a wussy this guy is. Well, I got some words for you. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, so while the recording was not happening, I shared my thoughts about the snow, but I wanted to keep it PG, so I had the GoPro stop recording. Now the whole trick to this is to actually get in the car, which is going to require some power, some manpower here. Let's get at it. Will he be able to open the door? Tune in next time for you park too close to the fence. This is such a bad idea. I should really dig out more before even trying, but looking for the path of least resistance here. All right, let's see how we do. Come on, dude, what are you made of? All right, just started the car, but you can't hear that because it's electric. So I'm going into four-wheel drive here. Am I in four-wheel drive? I think I am. Let's see, snow mode on. All right, let's go. Here we go. Gun it, baby. Woohoo! Yeah! Let's go. All right. Less work. Less work. Okay. Shut it off. All right, not a bad idea after all. This is what I got out of. Let's go brush this snow off so that snowplow guy can take care of it. All right, so we're gonna call it quits for now. And I know that most people hate this, but actually, the people that know me know I'm kind of sick, a little messed up, and I actually love this stuff. It was like my workout today, and you know, trying to lose some weight, so the exercise very helpful. But there'll be a little more cleanup to do after the plow guy comes, but should be able to get us in a good spot here. So thanks for watching. Thank you, Tom. I'll tell you, having a good plow guy, nothing like it. We got a bonus scene here, just like the Marvel movies. Actually, I have to say that doing this recording helped because get my mind off the agony and the misery. So, hope you enjoyed it.